We've all been taught to pray for others. But in this tribunal, we don't just pray, we file. And when you file for someone else, you must understand the legal principle of spiritual power of attorney. You see, in a natural court, you can't just walk in and represent a stranger. You need legal standing, or you need their power of attorney. The same is true in the court of heaven. Trying to pray for someone you have no legal right to represent is like trying to file a lawsuit for someone else without their permission or a designated legal relationship. It will be dismissed due to lack of standing. So, how do you get legal standing to litigate on behalf of another? There are three primary ways. Covenantal headship. This applies to your immediate household. As a parent, a spouse, or the spiritual head of your home, you have automatic jurisdiction. You are legally responsible for the estate of your family. This gives you the right to file a motion to vacate any illegal lien against your children, your spouse, or your household. You are literally stepping into court and saying, "Judge, this is my house, and these are my people. I am legally authorized to speak for them." Kinsman redeemer. This is the ancient law of the goal. When a family member has lost their inheritance, or they are in spiritual bondage, and they cannot represent themselves, you, as the next of kin, have the legal right to step in. This is often an act of intercession, but it's an intercession rooted in redemption law, not just a heartfelt plea. You are saying, "Judge, I am the closest living relative. I claim my right to redeem what has been lost from this bloodline." Specific assignment, agreement. This is for those you are spiritually covering, or who have specifically asked you to represent them. If someone is spiritually incapacitated, perhaps blinded by addiction, depression, or false doctrine, and they cannot come to the court themselves, you can obtain a spiritual power of attorney. You literally say, "Judge, I have been assigned to stand watch over name. They cannot speak, but I can, and I carry their case file." In our classroom, you have the affidavit of spiritual power of attorney. This isn't just a prayer, it's a legal document. It's how you formally tell the court, "I have the legal right to represent this person. I am revoking their ignorant signatures. I am challenging the adversary's claims over them. I am bringing their case before the righteous judge." Stop merely wishing for people to change. Start filing for them with legal precision. Understand your standing, exercise your power of attorney, and present their case to the court of heaven.